Okay, welcome back to our lesson. This one is about solving problems with money. Now, let's start with a really simple one. I want to go to the shop and I want to buy some lollies. The lollies are worth 50 cents. There's our 50-cent price tag. How do we pay for that? What do we do? Well, it's pretty simple. First time out of bat, we take 50 cents out of our pockets. We give it to the person in the shop, and the lollies are ours, so we can go away and eat them. But it's not always that simple. Sometimes there's a bit of a problem. For example, what if you want to buy 2 lots of lollies? What do we do then? Okay, so we've got 2 lots of lollies that we need to buy now. They're both worth 50 cents each. What do we do? Simple answer. We pay 50 cents for this lot and 50 cents for this lot. That adds up to $1. There's $1 up the top. We can replace these two, these two with this one. So let's get rid of them. Here we go. One's gone. Oops, wrong one. But anyway, it doesn't matter, we'll keep going. 2 gone. So we now can buy 2 lots of lollies that are worth 50 cents each, and we only have to hand over 1 coin. But if we add the 50-cent lollies together, there, we end up with $1. Problem solved. But it's not always like that. Let's look at some other problem-solving way or ideas with money. Okay, now we've got 3 lots of lollies that are each worth 50 cents each. How are we going to pay for this? We've got $1. We're going to need some more. How do we solve the problem? So we've got 50 and 50, which we know adds up to $1. Then we have another 50, which looks like this. See, it shows us $1.50, which is 50, 50, and 50. Right now, we've only got one of these, which isn't enough. We can't solve our problem. We can't pay for all the lollies that we have. So we have to go and get another 50 cents. Let's go and do that and put that up. So here we have $1.50. There you go, there's the $1 and there's the 50 cents. Right. There it is. So 3 of those are $1.50. That's how we pay for it. Okay, so that's things that are the same amount of money. But what about 2 things that are different? Let's try that next. Okay, so we've got 3 items and they all cost different amounts. How are we going to work that out? How are we going to solve that problem? And how are we going to pay for it? Let's find out how much each of them cost and how we're going to do it. Okay, so there we go. We've got our 3 items and that's how much they cost. The blocks cost 90 cents, the bike costs $1.20, and the funny looking little guy costs $1. How are we going to solve that problem? What are we going to do? How are we going to do it? Okay, here we go. Stand by. We're going to get into this. So if we pull all the coins down together, okay, and the prices, and we pull the $1 over here, and we pull the $1 over here, and we pull the $1 over here. So what we've got is $1.20, $1, and 90 cents. 90 cents. So we can work out that it's going to cost us that much money there. Okay, so let's work it out. Let's get the coins out and let's have a look and see what happens. Okay, so there's our 90 cents there. Now let's go and get the $1. Okay, here's our $1 right there. There it is. We're getting there. Let's go and get the $1.20. Okay, so there's our $1.20. So we've got 90 cents here, $1 here, and $1.20 up here. Let's put them all together and find out how much we come up with. Here we go. So we've got $1, $2, $2.50, and over here we've got 60 cents. Right. Let's make this a little bit easier. Let's replace this one with two 10-cent pieces. Make our job a whole lot easier. Okay, let's replace this 20 with these two 10s. Here we go. So we're going to get rid of this one here and bring these over here. Right. So we've got $1, $2, $2.50, and then if we put these two 20s and the 10 together, that makes another $1. So we've got $3.10. So the total cost of our toys has cost us $3.10. And we work that out. Now, we can make that look a whole lot simpler by going back and replacing all these coins with a minimum amount. Let's watch and see how that's done. Hang on. Okay, so the $2 coins we can replace with a $2 coin. So let's do that. Let's just push these ones up out of the way. Put a $2 coin in there. This dollar here that's made up of all these coins, right, we can replace with one of these. So let's do that. Let's actually make these ones disappear because we don't want them at all. So let's get rid of them. Here we go. There we go. And goodbye. And goodbye. And goodbye. Now we replace it with one of these. We bring this one over here. So our problem's solved. We've solved the problem by bringing all our money together and calculating how much we need, bringing all the coins that we need in to make the money, and then moving it all around so that we have the simplest way of presenting the money as well. We can make this one disappear too. Let's. Right. So the total cost of our 3 coins, problem solved, ladies and gentlemen, is $3.10. Now it's up to you. It's your turn. Why don't you go and work some of these out? Why don't you go and get some pictures and make up some amounts of money and work out how much it's going to cost you to buy them all, and then make sure you have the least amount of coins that you can to show the answer. Have fun with that. Bye for now.